Mickey Mouse is dead, got kicked in the head. Cause people got too serious, they planned out what they said. They couldn't take the fantasy, tried to accept reality. Analyse the laughs, cause pleasure comes in halves. The purity of comedy, they had to take it seriously. Change the words around, try to make it look profound. The comedian is on stage, it's taken for a wage. The critics...
I'm in the workshop here. I'm working on the chrome cowls for this Shriner VBB. Trying to get oxidation and stuff off of them. We'll see how they turn out.
Stare at the screen, but the pictures are all black and white. The words don't mean a thing, 'cause mummy's...
You're living in the past, old man.
Okay, so this one I've already done, and I've got just a coat of wax on it.
Wax on?
Drying. So this is my sort of before here. You can see there's some paint splatters and a lot of oxidation. Basically, I'm going to go in with 4-aught steel wool at first to get off any of that surface oxidation, and then go in with some polish and show you the afters.
Get on with it!
No matter what you believe, there's always another idea, and there's this based on fear. The fear of being sus for what they really are. The fear of being laughed at when they go too far.
Wax off.
They call it paranoia. You can't help it.
Shiny and chrome.
I've got this Shriner VBB polished up, motor's built, fork is built, so I'm about to start assembly on it. I like to start with the center mat, the floor rails, leg shield trim. That way if I drop a tool,
What a tool.
whatever, you know, it's protected. It's also just kind of the worst job. The floor rails are the worst job on here.
The worst. Really the worst.
So I like to get it out of the way. Anyway, here it is all polished up. Sole paint cleaned up pretty nice.
Nice.
So you can see how shiny it got. Just elbow grease.
Put some elbow grease into it.
Compound. You can see the original blue paint. They masked off the old leg shield trim. We're gonna do chrome just for a little extra bling.
Bling, or whatever it's called.
Masked off the floor rails. You can see the original blue underneath. Welded up these holes where the old crash bars mounted. They've been on there so long they wore a hole through the frame. But anyway, assembly starting.
The undercarriage.
Yes, nice and greasy.
You play with your balls a lot.
the road.